Shadows whisper, secrets creep, a siren song in veins so deep. A whisper lie, a needle's kiss, a poison kiss, a hollow bliss. The world dissolves, a hazy dream. Reality fades, a muted scream. In the darkness I find release, a fragile cage, a hollow piece. This cage of steel, the silken chain, holds me captive, fuels the pain. A dance with demons, a desperate plea. Set me free, set me free. The needles whisper, the needles call, echoes through the crumbling wall. I chase the dragon, a burning quest, lost in the ashes, no hope, no rest. Cracks appear in the mirrored floor, reflections shatter, I see the core. A hollow shell, a haunted eyes, the ghost of who I used to be. The mirror screams a broken vow, whispers secrets, tells me how I sold my soul to chase the night, lost my way in endless fight. This cage of steel, this silken chain, holds me captive, fuels the pain. A dance with demons, a desperate plea. Set me free, set me free. The needles whisper, the needles call, echoes through the crumbling wall. I chase the dragon, a burning quest, lost in the ashes, no hope, no rest. But in the ruins a flicker grows, a spark ignites, a seeded sows, a fragile whisper, a silent beat. The will to fight, the will to retreat. From the shadows a hand I reach, a fragile hope, a fragile beach. To break the chains, to mend the scars, a journey starts beneath the stars. This cage of steel, this silken chain, won't hold me captive, won't fuel the pain. The demons tremble, the plea takes flight. I'll be free, I'll be free. The needles whisper, a fading call, lost in the echoes of the wall. The dragon fades, the quest is done, rising from ashes, hope has begun. One step at a time, I climb the dawn. The scars remain, but the battle's won.